Alright, today we're going to be learning how to install a standard threaded BSA bottom bracket. In this case it's going to be an Enduro XT15 ceramic model. The only tool you're going to need for the job is one of our BBT001 tools. Looks just like this, and it's got a slot for a 3/8 drive on the back. Alright guys, please note before proceeding that you should always check that your frame has been properly threaded, that there's no burrs or any debris, and you're also going to want to apply a nice layer of grease in the frame shell before installing any bottom bracket. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is check which cup goes into which side of the frame. This one's marked R for right, so it'll thread into the right side of the frame or the drive side. And it goes in easily just by hand like that. Once you can no longer tighten by hand, grab the BBT001 tool and finish the job. With the drive side done, go ahead and begin threading in the non-drive side or left cup. And again, this will just go in easily by hand. Then you'll grab your BBT001 tool and tighten the left side as well. Now the final step is where the 3/8 drive comes in. In this case, I've attached a breaker bar for leverage, and with the cups you're just going to go right past hand tight. That should be sufficient. Do both and you're done.